Hey everyone, welcome back. If your notifications keep interrupting when you're working, sleeping, or driving, iPhone Focus Mode tells when lets you silence everything and only allow what actually matters. So here's how to set it up in 60 seconds. First, open the settings, scroll down, and find Focus. Once you find it, tap on it and you see options already there like do not disturb or personal sleep work. Then tap do not disturb and start with the simplest one. Now go ahead and scroll down and click on add schedule and then set the hours you want automatically to turn on like from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. every night. After that, choose the people who can still call or message you. Then click on apps and choose the apps which can still send you notifications. Once that's saved, swipe down from the top right corner. You see the control center, you see the focus button there. Tap it anytime to turn it on instantly without going to settings. So all you've got to do is go to settings, focus, set your schedule and allowed contacts, and that's it. Notifications will be gone when you need peace and